Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 21 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 386, lexicographical numbers. Okay, so in this problem we have given an integer n and we have to return all the numbers in the range 1 to n sorted in lexicographical order. Simply means that in dictionary you see first if these numbers I add in dictionary, so first 1 will come, okay, then 1 0 will come, then 1 1 will come, then 1 2 will come, then 1 3 will come, okay, and then 2 will come, okay, for n is equal to 13, right? Because I am just sorting all the numbers in this range, right, 1 to n in lexicographical order, right? So in dictionary you see like this, if a b and b, okay, so here first a will come, then ab will come, then b will come, right? In dictionary it's not like first a will come then b will come. So here we have to sort them like this in lexicographical order, okay. We are not sorting them in numerical order, we are sorting them in lexicographical order. You can simply say that in dictionary order, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with this one. And we must write an algorithm that runs in of n time and uses of one extra space, okay. So this is what we need to do here. Two numbers are there, the 1 and then 1 0 we can't add because 1 0 is greater than this 2, right? So only we can add 2 here, right? So 1 and 2, okay. Here we can add 1 0 because 1 0 is less than 13. 11 12 we can add 13, we add because 13 is less than equal to this 13. Then we have to add 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, okay. I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement, okay. So now there is one way we can solve this problem directly using this compare to, because this compare to method, okay, is going to sort our values in lexicographical order only, right? So we have already solved one problem on 18 September, okay. This largest number, I think you guys solved it, I think 2-3 days back, right? 18 September, today is 21st, right? So in that question also we solved that problem using compare to. So here see two numbers 1 0 and 2. So 2 is greater, right? Then 1 0 will come, okay. Here which number is greater? So here 9 is greater, right? Then after that 5 will come, then after that 3 4 and 30 34 will come, right? And then after that 3 and 30 we have two options, okay. So here I have told you now last time 332 numbers are there, so which number should come first, okay. So here I have two options, I can write 330 here in this part, or I can add first I use 30 and then 3. So I will use this 330, right? So this is how we solve this question, okay, last time, 18 September. But just don't go for this solution. I was just saying here that we have solved this problem using this compare to method, okay. So using compare to also we can solve this problem, but for that we are just going to get the time complexity as of n log n, okay. So that is why I'm not going to solve this problem using compare to, but let me just give you the solution for compare to. It's just 4 or 5 lines, okay. But that is not best solution for this one, because question is asking us to solve this problem in of n time complexity, okay. But just let me show you how we are going to solve this problem in of n log n time complexity using compare to, okay. So that is very simple, just 4 or 5 lines of code. I will complete it in 2 minutes just, right? So here just create this array, new integer, and here give the size as n, and then after that just iterate over all the elements, okay. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here after that just write array of I is equal to I plus 1, that's it. And here just simply use arrays dot sort, okay. Because of this sorting time sorting process, it is going to take off n log n, okay. That is why we are not going to use this. So here we are sorting our array. So let's say we have two parameters a and b, okay. So since it is of integer type now, so we have to first convert them to a string, right? Only then we can compare, use this compare to, okay. A dot string, then we have to use compare to, because if I don't use this string now, then it will just sort them based on numerical order, right? But I want to sort them on lexicographical order, so I have to convert them to string first, okay. Compare to, and in this compare to I have to just pass b dot to string, right? This is done. So here I have sorted, and then just one more line, okay. So here this is done, and here we have sorted, and then after this we have to just write return Okay, since we have to return the answer in a list of integer format, so here I'm just going to write arrays dot as list, and here I'm just going to pass my array. That's it. Okay, so let's run the code and see if there are code issues here with this process. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now if I submit it, so my solution will get accepted. Okay, so but for this my time compressed is going to be off and log n. Okay, but I don't want my solution like this. Okay, I want my solution to run in off and time compressed. Okay, so let me just clear it, but this is the solution for this one. Okay, so here let me just reset. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so here what I'm going to do here, instead of using this arrays dot sort, I'm just going to since here, see, first thing here, constants n is always starting from 1, right? So definitely 1 should be there in my output. Okay, so first I am going to add this one in my result list. Okay, and then after let me take example here, n is equal to 13, let's say. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, current number I will start from 1 only, because 1 is will be always there. Okay, then after that I'm going to create one list, and then after that I'm iterating over all the elements from 0 index to I less than 13. Okay, for this one, for this example, then in the result list I'm going to add my current number. So my current number is 1. Okay, then after that I will check if 1 into 10 is less than equal to n. So n is 13, so yes, 10 is less than equal to 13. Okay, then I'm going to update my current as current into 10, so my current will become 10. Okay, and once this become 10, then I will add that into my list. Okay, 1 0. Then after that again I will check I will check if my this 10 into 10 is less than equal to n. So it is 100 is less than equal to 13. No, it is not equal to. Then in that case what I will do, I will check if my current, okay, current modulus with 10 is equal to 9. Okay, or my current plus 1 is greater than n. Okay, or I will check if my current plus 1 11 is greater than 13. Okay, so both of the conditions are false, so I'm just simply going to increment my current value here and just going to add that. Okay, so you guys will get understanding of this one. Well, I'm going to write the code. Okay, so let's write the code first and then I will fill this. Okay, so code is also going to be very simple for this one. So here just take first number, int current is equal to 1, and let's take one array list of integer, and here result is equal to new array list. Okay, and then after that we have to just iterate. Okay, I have already told you I is 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and then I told you guys that we need to add first element in my result, okay, list. So here I'm just going to add result.add current. Then after that I'm going to check if 10 is 10, I can access 10, because after 1 10 will come now, after 10 11 will come, 12 will come. Okay, no, here if my n value is 130, then after 10 100 will come, right? That is also possible, but here it will not come because n is 13, right? So here result.add is equal to current. Okay, then here I will check if current into 10 is less than equal to n. So right now it is true. Okay, so if it is true, in that case I am just going to update my current as current into 10. Okay, and if it is not true, in that case what I need to do, if it is not true, then I am going to check I'm going to run one while condition, and in while condition I will check if my number becomes current modulus of 10. If it becomes 9, okay, then definitely it will become true. Okay, in that case, or if my current plus 1 is greater than n, okay, then it will become true. Okay, so either of these condition, if it is true, then in that case I have to just update my current as current divided by 10. Okay, I will show you, I will execute, I will do the dry run on this example, and it's called 13. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so here this is what we need to do, and here I'm just going to write current plus plus. Okay, this is done, and in the end I'm just going to return my result. Okay, so here this ends, this here, this is here where my for loops end, and then after that I'm just going to return result. Okay, so now let's run it and see if there are any core issues, and we will try to fix that. Okay, so here result dot add current. Okay, this is what we need to do here. Why I'm using this is not required here. Okay, so now this is ending here. Let's run it again. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so see, our solution is accepted. Okay, and the time complexity for this one is going to be of n, simple, right? So here if I use let's say n size ranging from, okay, so I can use 130 here. Okay, so if I give 130 here and let's run it, so you will see that first we will get 1, then we will get 10, then we will get 100, then 101, 102, 103, 110. Okay, then we'll get 11, 0. Okay, so this is how it will work. Okay, so let me just give the dry unknown and it's to 13. Okay, so let's do one thing here. Let me just copy this code. Okay, so this is my code and my n value is equal to 13, right? So now let's fill this result array. Okay, so here initially my current is equal to 1, then after that I am creating one result array list, then I is equal to 0. So I is equal to 0. So here if I just want to give the indexes now, so 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, here it's 3 index, 4 index, 5 index, 6 index. Okay, so on. So here initially I'm adding current in my result. Okay, so here I have added, let's say 1. Then after that I will check if current into 10 is less than equal to n. Yes, so 10 is less than equal to 13, so I can add this. Okay, then this else loop ending here now. Okay, and my for loop is continuously going on. So here I will add at 1 index I will add 10. Then I will check if 10 into 100 is less than equal to 13. No, then I will execute this else part. So here 10 modulus with 10 is equal to 0, so it becomes false, and here 10 plus 1 is greater than n, it is also false, so I am not going to execute anything inside this. I am simply going to increment current, so current will become 11. So I am just going to add this 11 into my array list. Okay, here result list. Okay, then after that 11 into 10, so this will not execute. Again here I will do 11 modulus with 10 is equal to 9. No, and 11 plus 1 12 is greater than 13. No, so here I will just increment the current, so current will become 12. Okay, then again 12 into 10 less than equal to n. No, so here 12 modulus with 10 is equal to 9. No, false. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 is greater than 13. No, it's not greater than, so I will not execute this, so current will become 13. Okay, then 13 to 10 130, it will not execute. Here now see 13 modulus with 10 I will get 3, and here 13 plus 1 14. Yes, it is true. Then after that it becomes 2 now. So here my current, last time it was just 13 13 divided by 10, so I will get output as 1 here. 13 divided by 10 I will get output as 1. Okay, I will get 1 here. Then this while loop. Okay, so I will get 1 here. Okay, then I have to increment current, so current will become 2, and then after that I will add 2 here. Okay, 20, 2 into 10, 20 is not there, so here I will check 2 modulus with 10 and this. Okay, so current will be incremented to 3. Okay, so on. So I hope that you guys are clear. So see here 1 10 11 12 13 here output, where is that? 1 10 11 12 13, then 2 3 4. Okay, it will come. Okay, so just try to solve it like this. Okay, so you guys will get to know. Okay, so just practice it yourself, but I hope that you guys are able to understand to this problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.